Welcome back to Thriving and Balanced. Thanks for being here. This week, I want to dive into how I maintain a balanced life outside of work. It hasn't always been easy. I used to clock in around 60 to 70 hours a week. Thankfully, I have managed to dial that back, and now I spend my time with much more intention. I'll be sharing my routines, favorite places, and things that bring me joy. And I'd love to hear what works for you too. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Living in a city where the sun shines about 95% of the time, it can take a toll on your skin. Every day I wash my face and I put on my trusted sunscreen, Eucerin. I find it is the best choice for my mature skin. I've been drinking coffee since I was 17 and I love it. I got an Nespresso during COVID and it makes the best home coffee, in my humble opinion. I also like the vast selection of coffees to choose from, and the crema foam makes the coffee taste infinitely better. The beach is one of my favorite places to go. Caught breakfast at the Old Townhouse Restaurant in Ocean Beach, OB for short. Engaged in great conversation with new friends, and then off to the sand. The morning marine layer was really heavy, like fog, and the sunrise was spectacular. Then off for some errands. Picked up firewood, eggs from a local farm, Hilliker Farms, and the mountain scenery topped off the drive. In my opinion, personal alone time is very important and totally underrated. I love my alone time. I do things that take me out of my work frame of mind to truly be free to enjoy the space and moment. This time rejuvenates my soul. That is what me time means to me. I also take time to smell the flowers on my walks. I appreciate their beauty and smell. I also love to bring them into my space. They always make me smile. Take time to smell the flowers. Halloween undoubtedly is my favorite time of year. I walked my neighborhood and took some photos of decorations, and some are really cool. Check out these iron cats. I believe it's essential to carve out intentional time for ourselves, especially in the morning. This solo time is rejuvenating, clears the mind, and empowers us to elevate both work and our ability to balance daily life. Personally, I start my day an hour before I need to get ready. That's right, at 4 a.m. Early on, it was a challenge, but now it's a treasured part of my routine. This quiet time lets me journal my gratitude, savor my coffee as it brews, listen to music, dance a bit, or simply sit in the peaceful stillness of the morning. It's a moment to center myself and map out the day ahead. What habits do you have for creating a healthy work-life balance? Drop a comment and let's chat. And if you need some guidance on developing this skill, let me know. I'm here to help. Thank you for visiting. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.